Are you dreaming of the perfect kitchen for your California home? Designing a kitchen can be overwhelming with so many factors to consider. In today's video, we're gonna guide you prioritize what's most important for your design. Whether it's look, storage, customization, lead times, or budget decisions, we got you covered. Stick around to learn which best decisions for your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. So hit that bell icon so you'll never miss an update. First up, let's talk about the look. The aesthetic appeal of your kitchen cabinets can set the tone of the entire space. If you want a kitchen that reflects your personal style and complements your home, prioritizing the look is the key. A beautifully designed kitchen can increase the value of your home, and it will make a space that you'll love to spend time in. When prioritizing the look, there are some key elements to consider, like trending styles. Keeping abreast with the trending styles, like two-tone cabinets, or you can consider open shelves for the modern touch. Adding LED lights. The impact of LED lights are huge. And also LED lights change the overall feeling of the whole kitchen. You can also consider a floating shelf. Cabinet hardware and accessories are also really important. Also, handleless cabinets can define your design of your kitchen. Next up is quality and durability. When investing in a kitchen, you want it to last. Prioritizing the high quality and craftsmanship ensures that your kitchen can withstand the test of time. Durable cabinets and countertops can save your money on the long run. You won't need repairs or replacements. When prioritizing the quality, these are some points that you need to consider. Utilize sustainable and globally sourced materials. Importance of moisture-resistant material in cabinet to avoid warping and damage over time. Also, with the hot air edge bending technology, which uses adhesive line joints, we achieve excellent heat resistance. Storage and organization are crucial for a functional kitchen. Prioritizing this aspect can make your daily tasks easier. Also, drawers and organizers can take away your kitchen clutter. You can maximize your space with smart solutions. With pull-out shelves, deep drawers, when prioritizing the storage, these are some elements to consider. Utilizing the vertical space can free up your counter space. Corner cabinet solutions. Lazy Susans or pull-out corner cabinets make the use of corner space. Customization options can allow you to create a kitchen that tailored to your needs. From custom cabinetry to unique design elements, prioritizing customization ensures that your kitchen is one of a kind and perfectly suited. When prioritizing customization, these are some elements to consider. We assist you with various sizes. We have different solutions for the different measurements, which can be challenging. Accessibility for all users. We are offering different counter height or monitorized cabinets for the elderly and for the people who have disabilities. Cabinet add-ons. We are offering additional features like built-in cutting board, wine racks, or under cabinet tablet holders for your recipes. Smart technology integration or automatic drawers for your cabinets. We also have products in motion, like we work with Bloom. Lead times can significantly affect your project timeline. If you have a strict deadline, such as moving into a new home, when prioritizing lead times, these are some elements that you should consider. Ask your kitchen designer what is currently in stock and what can be delivered in timely manner. Choose from the selection of quick turnaround kitchen designs to meet your needs. Finally, budget-friendly options. Designing a kitchen that meets your needs without breaking the bank is possible. Prioritizing budget-friendly options doesn't mean you have to sacrifice quality or style. With careful planning and smart choices, you can achieve beautiful and functional kitchen within your budget. With prioritizing budget-friendly options, these are some ways to cut costs. Refacing versus replacing. Discussing the impacts of refacing the existing cabinets versus starting from scratch. Modular cabinet. Offering modular options for cost-effective solutions. To completely customize kitchen cabinet. Material alternatives. Suggesting cost-saving materials that don't compromise on aesthetics, such as laminate that mimics wood grain. Scaling back on customization. advising which elements to prioritize. If budget constraints require scaling back for customization. So there you have it. These are some considerations when you're designing your dream home. Remember, what you prioritize depends on your personal needs. What's most important for you? Ready to start designing your kitchen? Sign up in the description box below for a free kitchen design consultation and let our experts help you. Prioritize what matters most. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe for more custom cabinetry tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.